Welcome to another episode of American Key Supply's Keyed In with Ryan. I'm your host, Ryan, and this is American Key Supply. Today, we have something special for you. We now present our newest series, Locksmith Games.
Keyed In with Ryan at American Key Supply. Answer the questions, get a prize. Hurry up before you run out of time. Keyed In with Ryan at American Key Supply.
Today's game is Minute to Ship It. We're going to have two teams of contestants who are going to be conjoined twins, and they're going to race each other to fulfill a customer's order. And the prize that they get, a giant gold cup that says American Key Supplies Keyed In with Ryan, Locksmith Games. Now, let's meet our contestants. So our first team over here, our team is called the Isle Assassins. Please introduce yourself. Tell us what you do here at American Key Supply, how long you've been here, and a fun fact about yourself.
I'm Cerise. I'm a data analyst here at American Key Supply. I've been here about 6 months, and I like trains.
I like trains.
My name is New Guy. I've been with American Key Supply for about a month, and I can't have sugar. It'll kill me.
Lance, production manager, been here almost 5 years, and Disney freak.
Oh my!
Alfonso, don't even know my title. But I am the e-commerce operations manager. Been here for 3 months, and I like Call of Duty.
This team on this side are the Shelf Shredders. Now that we've met our contestants, let's start the game. First up, the key spin. The Shelf Shredders have won it. So you guys get to go first. Pick a card and read your prompt. That's two.
Well, hello, Warehouse Warriors, and welcome to another thrilling round of Keyed In with Ryan. I'm not your host. And today we've got a challenge hotter than a July loading dock. Your first fabulous find is item 4781. I hope it's really small. Carrie, our ever watchful boss, says it's a real prize, and he'd better see you hustle. Next up, item 9788. If you can snag it without getting lost in aisle purgatory, you're halfway there. And finally, the grand prize, the big kahuna, the SKU to end all SKUs, item 3275. What's that? Package it, label it, and get it to shipping before your rivals do, because in this game, second place gets nothing but bubble wrap.
And the Isle Assassins, choose your prompt and read.
It was the kind of day that smelled like dust, printer ink, and trouble. Carrie was watching from his office window the way a hawk watches a mouse, except this mouse had a barcode scanner. First up, item 2762. Admin had the coordinates, but admin's a cryptic as a fortune cookie in a foreign language. Then came item 13619, tucked away in a bin that hadn't seen daylight since last quarter's inventory count. And finally, the big score, item 8546. Ryan standing at the shipping station with a grin, ready to call the winner or roast the loser, live on Keyed In. You've got minutes to make it happen, kid. Try not to trip over your own ambition.
All right, folks. Now that you've met our teams and they have their assignments, it's time for Minute to Ship It.
A few moments later.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, go!
Right there.
Oh, this sucks.
Go, 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 go!
We did not. My computer turned off. And my computer's farther away. This isn't fair.
Unlock it quick. Okay, 2762. 16319 and 8546. Type it.
Here, I'll put the comma. 9788. 3275.
C 07 4
Come on, come on. Load! Okay, all right. Go. Mid. 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 Am I too long of a stroke?
Okay,
Mid.
here we go, sorry. My bad. Where are we going?
Mid. Mid.
5 D1803 and okay, we have.
Don't even take it off. Just take the whole thing. Take the whole thing.
Let's
Just
go,
toss
let's
the
go.
pen.
We don't need this. This isn't fair. Dakota. Eva.
This sucks.
Eva, carry me.
This sucks. Oh god.
Okay, look at where we're going first. Where we gotta go first. Okay.
E1. Oh, Jesus Christ. B32.
B32.
Right here.
Oh shit! I forgot about the whip.
Yep.
B32.
3275. 3275. Got it. No, I got one. Okay.
Next one.
Oh.
Wait.
One foot. Other foot. One foot. Other foot.
Okay,
One
we
foot.
actually have to do this like manually.
Okay. Where are we going? C0704.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta go that way. They're in the way.
We have to go around.
Go A07. And then we'll just cut through.
E1.
E11. I think.
I'll follow behind. Oh. Oh, this is dangerous as fuck.
Yeah, dude. We tapped that right? 9788. Okay. 119788. Oh, fuck, this one's hard.
Okay.
C07.
Oh, 04?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wait. Gotta get it together.
Okay. Fourth shelf.
C07.
2762.
27. What the?
That's the fifth shelf. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2762. Right here.
Right here. Let's go.
Got it.
Okay. D1803. No, F10. Let's go to 10, and then head to F. That way.
Oh, you want this way? Mid.
Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Mid. Where? Mid. Mid. 21. See?
C21. This one.
Mid. Mid.
Okay. 4781. 4781.
47. Shit.
Where is it?
4781 right here.
Okay, good.
Is it two of them?
Just grab both. Okay.
This sucks. Okay, I think we're fucking winning.
Oh, my poor fucking ankle.
I know we're gonna be so bruised after this. Okay, F10.
They get a free one. Mid. 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 Shit. Mid. 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 Mid.
05. That way.
This is E. Yeah.
F10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
161 or 163 and 19.
163. 19. Let's go.
Okay.
D18.
Oh my god.
We just gotta make it all the way back there. I'm sorry.
Is this so fucking Wait, right there. Right. Ah, shit.
Oh, that's the move right there. The rhythm, we got the rhythm. 18.
8516.
Right here, let's go. Go.
With the packet?
Yes.
I don't know where the fuck to go.
Right here.
This is bad.
Oh my god, I can't feel my ankle.
You too?
But that way, yeah.
Mid. Shit. Alright, stop. Mid.
We're both running at different paces.
Okay, slow down.
1, 2, 1, 2.
They're here?
No! They already fucking shipped it! Ah! Where's my station, Ryan? Here?
Right there.
Right there.
Oh my god!
No!
No! Keep going. We have to pack a snack.
Oh, good snack.
Yep. Take it. Just tape it down.
Help, the tape won't work. They messed up the tape.
No. Wait.
Tanaya's tape.
There we go. Perfect.
I don't know how this works.
Let's go. Let's go. I hope we got the items right. Well, I hope so too.
We got it. Yay!
Oh my god. Okay.
Ankle for beauty. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to crack it. Oh!
All right, so we're here live with our winning team, the Shelf Shredders. Can you tell me what was your strategy to help you win that?
We actually just coordinated the middle leg.
The middle was the secret. Coordinated the secret. On the film, you'll literally hear mid. That was us keeping in rhythm.
Communication. That's the key. Now let's talk to our losing team, the Isle Assassins. What happened there, you guys? What do you think was your setback there?
Their middle leg couldn't keep them from messing up the tape, so it did set us back. And also, they made it to data first. So we got to give it to them. Teamwork makes the dream work. But, you know, they're old, so we got to give it to them. I'll take that.
All I have to say is I fucking hate you right now.
Y'all cussed a lot about time, have a lot to bleep. All right, now we got to check the package just to make sure our winner is legit. Tearing it open. We got items. We got items.
Oh,
We got items.
bad quality control.
We got items.
And the most important part.
One of them is open.
Uh-oh.
And the snack.
That should be grounds for
The best part.
disqualification.
We now present the award to the Shelf Shredders for winning American Key Supplies, Keto and Ryan Locksmith Games, minute to ship it. Congratulations, gentlemen. Snack won't open. Snack won't open. And it matches my...
See, we were
Whoa. Let's get folks. Let's say end of another episode here with Ryan. Minute to ship it. Here at American Key Supplies. We'll see you next time, folks. Good night.
Eating with Ryan at American Key Supply.